said I'd do it, but I said I wasn't going to leave my lawn chair. You're not my real dad. You can't tell me what to do. Can I have one of those? Double team in a boat. Side to side, right? Front, back, side to side. Fucking big help, man. We'll call it dinghy tow, and we'll start a whole business. We'll have like fucking 30 horsepower, 10-foot dinghies, and we'll tow yachts around. Two donkeys. Dos burros. Dos burros towing. Yeah, donkey, 2 donkeys, and 1 ass towing. We got this. Best rates, low prices, best price in town. There's the ass, and then 2 donkeys on either side. There's ass, and then 1 donkey, 1 ass, 1 donkey. America, great country. Right side. Eat another seagull. It's so funny. Hard to talk shit when you got a bird stuck in your throat. It's fun. I'm not gonna have this boat much longer.
Stop recording me, asshole.
I'm not pointing at you, it's me. Thinks he's that silly. Show me that. Show me them titties. That's the other guy tied off in the front. Towing this thing in the dark. Woo! Yeah, I want a Todd. Yeah, get this piece of fiberglass crap off of my soft bottom boat.
Then there's an eye hole, there's an eye pocket.
Get out of there with my eye holes.
I need to loosen this up. I know. Let me try this off.
Shit, he turned it off.
Alright, Nick.
Gang, gang.
You got a lot more.